Good morning, children. Today we know about a new lesson, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So I don't have this page in my textbook, so I used another mobile. So before you read, in 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So you know that Kalpana Chawla was an astronaut. She is died in a tragedy space. So this lesson is about to know her, how she named as a astronaut in space field. So now I first read the lesson. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all seven on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the seven-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended to tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Colonel that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in Aerospace Engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. So, in 2003, there was happened a space tragedy. So, United States of America Space Shuttle Columbia carrying a India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others were broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards landing. So on 1st February 2003, all seven members are murdered in air crash. So Kalpana Chawla and other six members are murdered in a air crash. Children, the shuttle was lost the contact with NASA at 9 am as it has came for landing. So it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour. So when the ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So the name of the shuttle is Columbia, had takeoff on 16th January 2003. 3 from the Kennedy Space Center at Florida. So it had stayed in orbit for 16 days. So 7 members meeting conducted 1880 experiments. So before began the downward journey. So Kalpana and other 6 members conducted the 80 experiments before they take from downward journey. So at last it ended in a tragedy. So this Columbia's 28th space flight was said to known as good for 100 flights. So Kalpana Chawla and 6 other members was state flight was known as good flight. It was better than 100 flights. So it was named good, but at last it ended in tragedy. So Kalpana Chawla was born on March 17th, 1962 at Karnal, Haryana, India. In the beginning of the lesson, she said that when she was in Karnal, she never dreamed about she would become an astronaut. She never dreamed about she became an astronaut. She said that she thanks to her parents allowed her to attend the engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. She completed a BSc degree in aeronautical engineering. Then she go for get a master's degree to the United States of America. So her father was against to her. So her father did not like to take the subject like aeronautics in science because it is not fit for girls. So his father thinks that so he is not interested in space field, so he did not let his daughter to take that subject, and then she went to USA for attaining the master's degree. So she completed her master's, then later she earned PhD. So she earned PhD in aerospace engineering. So Kalpana was regarded as first Indian American woman astronaut. She was launched at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and she participated in a successful mission in space. So when she lifted off to the space, so when she began to lift off to the space from Columbia flight, so her family from India was cheered along with staff members at the Kennedy Space Center. So all are encouraged to her to become astronaut. So I already told you children, she was born in Karnal, Haryana, but she was a naturalized American citizen because she married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. So along with the astronaut, she worked and got license to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes and also single engine seaplanes. Okay, she worked single engine seaplanes and then gliders. So she was also certified as a flight instructor. So she was also worked as a flight instructor. So after she qualified as a pilot, she take the another challenge. She is applying to NASA program. She is applying to job in a NASA program. So she was named as a first, she selected and then named as a first research scientist at NASA. So in 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So this is your lesson. Then continue in the next part. Thank you children.